Okay, so if we're going to look at this pig, okay, we take a couple of circles on top of each other, a couple of ovals, let's call them, circly circles, like this. And we want them quite rough, they don't have to be precise, so we're tracing here. We're just doing the face. Here's the nose. Now if we look at this, there's an oval like this, which helps us define how the mouth sits in relation to the nose. We've got a circle of sorts here, which gives us the width of the ears and how they relate to the head. And again here, just helps us to get all the pieces in relation to each other. We've got the eyes, which sit on this intersection here. We've got the nostrils, eyebrows. And then we can go along and fill in these shapes later if we want to. But that's not the important part. The important part is getting the anatomy, and the anatomy is these circles. So this is a circly circle. Call it an oval if you want to. Another circly circle or oval. Another one, another one, another one, another one, another one, another one. And these just partial circles, but you could almost call them, you could do that if you wanted to. So then when it comes to actually copying it, we're going to use these as our reference to build out the proportions again. So we're not going to get it perfect, but here we go. If we put a smaller circly circle on top of a larger circly circle, you can already see that mine's going to be too small, but we've got an approximation. Here we go. Let's do that. Let's put ears on here, and we've got two eyes which sit on this thing here. We've got two nostrils which sit here, and then we know that we've got sort of pointy bits of the ears which would go like this, and pointy bits of the ears which would go like that, and then this would come in and round and go out, in, round and go out, and there we are. If we then wanted to outline it, let's take that down so that we've just got it very softly, and let's take black and we're going to do an outline now. So we would just do this. Oops, sorry, I'm on the wrong layer. Just add in a layer. Okay, here we go. So we've got a black outline coming like this, and round like this, over the top of the head like this, then we've got eyes, we've got a snout with nostrils, we've got a smiley mouth, we've got a patch here which we kind of forgot about, but that's okay. And there you have your pig. There's some shapes here which kind of fill in. But you see, it's not perfect. We're not expecting it to be perfect. But by using the references of these ovals or circly circles, we've defined every part of the face in relation to every other part, and we have a road map, as it were. That's what we're looking at.